So if you want to send more than 5,000 cold emails daily, then this is a video for you. So here is the blueprint of how I was able to send out 5,000 emails for a client. First and foremost, I generated a verified email list of 7,000. Secondly, I added up 10 different email sending accounts on Instantly. And finally, 5,000 emails sent without any stress. And all I can say is that anyone who wants to get a better result from cold emails must use Instantly.ai. And don't worry, I'll walk you through the basic steps on how you too can use this powerful tool to start sending thousands of emails every single day. And by the time you're done watching this video, you too should be able to start sending cold emails fast and effortlessly. Now let's carry on. So the first thing you want to do is you want to come over to Instantly.ai to create an account for yourself. And note this please, I don't want you to click off this video because you already have the name of the tool I used in sending out bulk emails. And the reason is this: if you miss out any steps disclosed in this video on how to use Instantly bulk email sender, you will not only be banned from using the software, but also you might get to lose your account and everything in it. So you need to make sure you follow my steps accordingly. Now once your account is created, this is the page you will be seeing, and this is where we need to add our email sending account. So you want to click on add new right here. Now you see that we can add some SMTP servers here, okay, which can either be Gmail SMTP server, or you might actually want to use the Office 365 SMTP server, and you can also add up any other server of your choice here on Instantly.ai. And so guys, if you enjoyed this video so far, please, I want you to just do me a favor by smashing the like button of this video, okay? Just show me your appreciation by smashing the like button. And also please don't forget, you can always ask me your question in the comment section below. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so let's get back to business. So for me, I'll be making use of Google as it is free to connect with, and the result rated is fair enough for sending out bulk emails. I'll click on yes, I have IMAP enabled, and in case you don't have your IMAP enabled on your Gmail account, or you want to know how to enable your IMAP on your Gmail account, what you need to do is you want to open up your Gmail account, then you want to click on settings right here, click on all settings, then you want to click on forwarding and POP tab. Now you want to come down to the IMAP access, then you want to click on enable IMAP, and that's it guys, you have IMAP already enabled. Now what you want to do is you want to come back to Instantly, alright, then you want to click on yes, I have my IMAP enabled. Then what you need to do next is you need to select your connection plan, okay? You can either select for a Google Workspace account or your personal Gmail account. So if you're making use of a Google Workspace account, the first option is going to be for you, but if you're making use of a personal Gmail account, the second option is for you. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be clicking on option 2. Then you want to input your email address there, okay? So once you have your email address imputed, then you want to come over to Google, okay, and copy your generated password. And that's all. So we can see I already have my password here. Then I'm going to click on add, and you can see that successfully we've added an email sending account. And also you can add as many email sending account as you want to here on Instantly.ai. And me myself, I personally recommend that, okay? Add as many email send account as you can, because this is going to help you send a lot of emails every single day without stress. Now to send your bulk emails, you want to come over to the campaign tab. You want to click on add new campaign, okay, and you want to give your campaign a name. Click on continue. So you can see that we need to add our email list for this campaign, right? So I'll go ahead and click on add leads. Then as you can see, we have so many options that we can use to import our email list into Instantly.ai. So for me, you can basically work with the either upload via CSV format. You can also use Instantly AI lead finder. This is basically for people who want to use this tool to search for leads. So if you want to search for leads, you can use Instantly.ai. You can as well import your email list manually, and lastly you can upload via a Google Sheet. So these are the 4 options for you to use when you want to import your contact into Instantly.ai. So I'll make use of the first option. So I'll click on upload file from my device. Then we have our email list already uploaded. So you can see how fast and how super easy it is. Now please make sure to load this, okay? Now you can start, we have various lists here. We have a lot of columns and rows here, right? So what you want to do is you want to choose what and what you want to get upload into Instantly.ai. Alright, so as for me, I would import only the email addresses alone, but you can as well import their names and other information if you want to do so. So me, basically, I just like importing only their emails, and most times when the clients actually recommend or maybe request it, I get to import their names as well. But for me, randomly, I just love going with the email address alone. And also, if you want to verify your leads on Instantly.ai, so maybe you're not sure if the leads you're importing are basically verified, you can also check mark this box here, okay? And this tool is going to help you verify the leads and tell you which one of them is perfect for sending emails to and the ones that are bad. So me myself, I'm going to leave this unchecked. Why? Because I already have my own email list verified with a different tool entirely. And I'll click on upload, and yes, I'll click on upload again. You can see now that our email list has been uploaded, okay, we can now carry on with sending out our bulk emails. Now what you want to do is you want to put in your email subjects here, okay, and as well you can make use of ChatGPT. Okay, you see, I've seen so many people who make use of ChatGPT to generate their email swipes, and it's something you yourself can do. All right, there are countless of videos here on YouTube teaching you how to do that. And honestly, me too, sometimes I get to use ChatGPT. All right, so you can also try out ChatGPT to write your code email swipes. Once I have my email already written, okay, what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to click on save. And also, if you want to preview what your email looks like, you can basically click on preview here, and as well you can actually send a text email to yourself if you want to. So this would basically show you what the email is going to look like in the inbox folder of your recipient. Now you want to come over to schedule at the top right here, okay? You can as well schedule your email, okay, when you want your email to be sent, the exact time, the exact date, and also maybe the days you want your email campaigns to go out. And once again, you want to come over to the option tab right here, okay? Now the first thing you have to do right now is you want to select your email sending account, okay? So the email sending account you want to use in sending out your emails. Then once you've been able to do that, all right, so you want to come down a little bit, and here you can see where we have the daily sending limit. Okay, so I recommend you have a daily sending limit to at least 400 to 500 per sending account. So one sending account should be able to send you at least 500 emails. So please make sure it's not higher than that, okay? If you have your email accounts sending more than 500, you might actually be at risk because most of your emails might be going to the spam folder of the recipient. So I recommend you have as many email sending accounts as possible, so you can basically split how many emails you'll be sending with one sending account. It is very, very simple and logical. So if you do these things rightly, I assure you, you'll be getting majority of your emails in the inbox folder of your recipient. So right now I can click on publish if I want to. So that's the whole basic, all right, concerning how to use Instantly.ai to send code bulk emails. So it's as easy as this, okay? It's as easy as this. Within a few minutes you already learned about Instantly.ai and how you can use it to send code bulk emails. So if I want to publish this, I can basically click on publish, but I'm not going to do that right here because this is actually a demo video. The list that I uploaded, the email swap I wrote, everything is just not synchronizing. So I don't want to send publish, right? Because this is not me practicing or me working live. I'm just showing you guys how it works. So it's very easy. So you too can try out this, and you can also testify of how Instant.ai is going to help you send code emails directly into the inbox folder of your recipient. So guys, that's actually what you need to know concerning how to send bulk emails, okay? And now let's talk about the pricing plan of Instantly.ai. So if you want to get the best out of those two, I recommend you go with a paid plan, okay? So the free plan of many of those email marketing softwares don't basically do enough things as their paid plan. So if you want to get a good result, you want to get good inbox rate, so many features, you want to go with a paid plan. So just come up to the pricing plan here, and you can actually check out some plans here that will basically fit you or fit your business. It is actually business, so you should be willing to invest and put in money into your marketing tools, and I recommend you do that, okay? So people who actually work for are making use of like standard paid plan on different email marketing servers. Put effort into your marketing campaigns, okay? And I'll tell you that you'll be getting the best result you can ever get. Okay, so that's all we have for you to this video, guys. If you actually enjoyed this video in one way or the other, I recommend you subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and also please make sure you don't leave this video without smashing like button in appreciation. So ask me your question in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care of yourself and bye.